As the nation struggles with the fentanyl surge, a new study found no correlation between Oregon's decriminalization of hard drugs and the increase in deadly drug overdoses.
This report, published in the Journal of the American Medical Association, looks at deadly overdose data from all across the country. It shows despite decriminalizing the use of hard drugs like fentanyl and meth, Oregon's deadly overdoses increased at a similar rate to all other states. The study also notes there's no sign that the measure actually helped decrease overdoses. This still is a short-term study, though, as the law has only been in effect for less than 2 years. Meantime, changes to Measure 110, a big topic for lawmakers today in Salem.
And one topic includes a potential ban on open drug use. Lisa Balick joins us live in Salem with the latest. Lisa?
Yeah, it's interesting. The word crisis is what we heard over and over today when it comes to the drug supply, drug use throughout the state. I wanted to find out from lawmakers, what do they plan to do about it?
14 suspected overdose deaths. This is a crisis, and we need to come together as a team and figure this out.
The latest push for lawmakers to rework Measure 110 coming from statewide first responders. Law enforcement from Southern Oregon weighing in today. Legislators also feeling the pressure of a proposed ballot measure that would ask voters to change parts of 110 to recriminalize possession of certain illegal drugs like heroin and meth and require rather than encourage treatment.
I know policing will not arrest their way out of addiction. We don't want to, but we do believe in some form of consequence to encourage people to move toward a service, to move toward treatment.
Legislators are also deciding whether to craft a law that would ban open drug use statewide. Although the Portland City Council approved a citywide ban, it can't be enforced until state law changes. I asked the Senate Majority Leader, a former Multnomah County prosecutor, if this is going to happen.
I think the ban is something that's on the table.
I wanted to know why this wasn't a sure thing, since we already have a statewide ban on drinking in public. What's the downside of putting the ban in state law, much like alcohol?
Well, what the city of Portland is asking to do is to have cities control it at the local level. What I think we need to consider is whether we do it across the entire state and make it a statute.
Right now, nothing looks like a sure thing when it comes to changing state drug laws in the next session. Now, that next session isn't until February, but they're having regular meetings here at the Capitol because they have to go through a lot of this information ahead of time before they can try and quickly pass some laws to make some changes in February. We'll keep you posted on what's happening. Live in Salem, Lisa Balick, KOIN 6 News.